Bench testing a 1957 Cadillac non-fog light option headlight switch, serial number HS12182024, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dash lights set low to high. Test number 4, circuit breaker test. Test number 5, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a fully charged battery, we will be boosting the battery during the run-up test. Right now we're at 12.66 volts. On the boost, now we're reporting 13.82 volts. Also during the run-up test, we're going to monitor the temperature of the rheostat. Currently we're at 78 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ambient right now. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position. Have our tail and parking light are on. I'm going to set the dash lights to full bright, right to mid-range. And off. Again, first position. Front parking, tail lights, and dash lights set to mid-range. And off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position. For tail and parking, second position. Front parking lights come off, headlights are on. Back to first position. Headlights come off, front parking lights come on. Second position. Front parking lights come off, and headlights come on. Back to first position, and off. Test number 3, dash lights set low to high. First position. We rotate the rheostat to the off position. Low. We see we have reporting now 86. Let that set there for a second. Picked up a little temperature. Go to mid-range, mid-bright. Full bright. Lock. Back to mid-range. Low. Off. Second position, headlight position. Set the dash lights to low. Mid-range. Full bright. Take the mid-range. Low. And off. Test number 4, circuit breaker test. The Delco on the headlight switches had a built-in circuit breaker. Demonstrate the function of the circuit breaker. We're going to put it in first position. The connection from the battery to the switch body goes through a bimetallic arm, contact arm. In the event of a short overheating of the vehicle wiring, or for any reason, this bimetallic arm will expand and break the connection between the battery and the switch, protecting the vehicle wiring and the switch body. The feature is also available in second position, headlight position. Demonstrate a simulation of expansion of the contact arm, breaking the connection between the battery and the vehicle wiring. On, expansion of the arm, disconnect from the battery to the switch body and the vehicle wiring. Back to first position, and off. Test number 5, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a standard 12 volt test light, We see we have continuity back to the battery at the switch chassis. I'm going to demonstrate that the switch terminals will insulate from ground. Panel light, no continuity back to the battery. Battery terminal, no continuity back to the battery. Headlight terminal, no continuity back to the battery. Tail light terminal, no continuity back to the battery. Parking light terminal, no continuity back to the battery. And brake light feed, no continuity back to the battery. The only continuity we have is at the switch chassis. This demonstrates that the switch terminals of the switch body are insulated from ground.